like and subscribe. Free crypto, bro.
Imagine winning a brand new iPhone 17 Pro without spending any money, my dear crypto legends. BingX, one of the best and most popular crypto exchanges in the world, is having another amazing giveaway. This time for the new and awesome iPhone 17 Pro and many more amazing prizes. Every participant will get real prizes at no cost, in just a few easy steps, no losing, only winning. Quick intro for you guys, okay, so BingX is a global trading platform trusted by millions of users, okay. They have a great reputation. One of the key benefits that they have is that you don't have to worry about anything regarding your funds, okay guys. They have 100% proof of reserves. Besides that, they also have this shield fund, which is a great thing, okay. This is like a safety net in case of targeted attacks or some kind of system vulnerabilities, so you are never left unprotected on this site, okay. Also, they are officially sponsored by Chelsea, the football club Chelsea. Really nice club, I have to say. Is Drogba still playing there? I don't know. So guys, how to join this amazing event? You can do that firstly by using the link in the description below. After you sign up, you will need to complete the KYC. This is very easy, guys. You have done it already hundreds of times. My recommendation would be to do it through your mobile phone. Upload one type of document. I have uploaded an ID card, so very easy. The next step is to deposit some crypto. I have personally deposited USDT on the TRC20 network. You can see all the other networks here on the screen. They have a really big choice, so no worries guys. The minimum deposit amount is $1, but to participate in the giveaway you will need to deposit $10 guys, okay? So I have done that. I have deposited $10 from Faucet Pay, so I have just copied that address here and that's it. The payment has arrived instantly, no waiting time. Before you start trading, there's just a couple of things that you will need to do. So first, don't forget to transfer the funds from your fund account to the futures trading account. Next, you will need to pass this very fast and easy futures trading quiz. Don't worry guys, even if you select the incorrect answer, you will be shown the correct answer, so you will be able to pass this very easy, okay? So once you pass this quiz, you can start trading. So here I have opened a Bitcoin short position. After you have done your first trade, don't forget to grab all the rewards. Firstly, from the sign up for doing the KYC, open all those mystery boxes, claim also the daily claim bonus, and lastly, claim all the event rewards. It's that easy guys. The campaign is ending on the 31st of December, so you have time to grab your prizes. Each step that you complete, the sign up, KYC, deposit and trade, will increase the chance of winning the grand prize of the iPhone 17 Pro. Join BingX Lucky Draw, where everyone's a winner, through the link in the description below. Click the link below, sign up now and see what you win. Zero cost, 100% fun, 100% prizes. Don't wait guys, the iPhone 17 Pro could be yours.